Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best bike rack for car that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Saris SuperClamp X4 Bike Hitch Rack. The Saris SuperClamp X4 Bike Hitch Rack in carbon black offers a lightweight and dependable way to transport multiple bicycles. Built for cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver, this platform rack can carry up to 4 bikes with a combined weight of 190 pounds. The inner bike positions hold up to 60 pounds each, while the outer slots support up to 35 pounds per bike. Using dual-wheel clamping hooks, the rack secures bikes firmly without contacting the frame, protecting delicate finishes and carbon fiber designs. The adjustable arms and wheel trays accommodate a variety of bicycles, including mountain bikes, road bikes, e-bikes, and kids' bikes. It fits wheelbases up to 50 inches and tires up to 4 inches wide, even those with fenders. Designed for convenience, the Saris SuperClamp X includes a tilting mechanism allowing easy access to the rear cargo area without unloading the bikes. The integrated locking cables and locking hitch pin offer additional security, keeping both the rack and bikes safe during travel. Weighing just 63 pounds, this rack is about 40% lighter than many comparable models, making it easier to install, remove, and store. When not in use, the rack folds up compactly, saving valuable storage space in garages or sheds. Manufactured by Saris, a trusted brand in cycling accessories, the SuperClamp X provides a combination of strength, versatility, and thoughtful design. Whether planning weekend adventures, daily rides, or long road trips, this bike carrier ensures your bikes are transported safely and conveniently. Its durable build, user-friendly features, and modern appearance make it an excellent choice for families and individuals who enjoy cycling on different terrains. In our list, the number 2 product name is Thule Outway Trunk Mount Bike Rack. The Thule Outway Trunk Mount Bike Rack in black offers a reliable way to transport 2 bicycles with ease. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles including sedans, station wagons, cross-utility vehicles, and sport utility vehicles, this rack accommodates different bicycle frames, including children's bicycles. Its strong structure ensures stability during travel and helps protect both bicycles and vehicles from damage. Soft cradles absorb road vibrations, providing a gentle resting place for the bicycle frames. An anti-sway system keeps bicycles secure, reducing contact between bicycles and between the rack and the car. Adjustable arms allow for proper positioning based on bicycle size and shape, enhancing the overall carrying experience. Installation is simple with trunk or hatch-specific mounting pads and robust steel cables that secure the rack firmly to the vehicle. Twin hook attachments and rubber pads add extra grip and shield the car's surface. Torque limiting knobs indicate correct tightness, making the setup process straightforward for any user. Locks are included to fasten both bicycles to the rack and the rack to the car, offering peace of mind during trips. When not carrying bicycles, the arms of the rack fold down flat for easy storage and make the trunk accessible without the need to remove the rack. With a load capacity of 66 pounds, the Thule Outway provides enough strength to carry 2 standard bicycles safely. Built by Thule, a name recognized for quality in cycling accessories, this rack brings confidence to every journey. It is important to check the Thule buyer's guide to confirm compatibility with specific vehicle models, as this product does not have a universal fit. In our list, the number 3 product name is monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount offers a practical storage solution for anyone wanting to organize their space better. Made from durable alloy steel and plastic, this black-colored bike wall mount can support up to 30 kilograms or 66.2 pounds. It provides a safe way to store bikes vertically, protecting wheels, rims, and spokes from unnecessary pressure or scratches. The unique design of the monTEK bike hanger includes an upgraded 150-degree swivel feature. This helps you position the bike in the center, left, or right angle direction. Whether inside an apartment or beside a parked car, the swivel system allows storing the bike close to the wall, making the best use of limited areas. The bike storage rack is an ideal choice for saving valuable floor space. Perfect for garages, homes, apartments, and sheds, it can hold different types of bicycles such as mountain bikes, cruisers, and BMX bikes. However, it is not recommended for bikes with tires and rims larger than 3.54 inches or 90 mm depth. Installing the monTEK bike rack is simple and takes around 5 minutes. It comes with clear, step-by-step instructions and mounting screws suitable for concrete, masonry, or stud walls. It is important to avoid installing it on unsupported wall surfaces like plasterboard unless a solid wooden stud is present behind it. Designed by cyclists who understand the needs of riders, this bike hanger focuses on strength, convenience, and style. With a secure rubber-coated hook, it ensures your bike stays protected while hanging. Whether you are organizing your home or garage, this wall-mounted rack brings an effective way to store your bicycle while keeping your space neat and tidy. In our list, the number 4 product name is TORACK BIKEPAL Space Bike Racks. TORACK BIKEPAL wall-mounted swivel bike racks offer a useful way to organize garage spaces. Built from strong alloy steel and finished in black, these racks are designed to hold bikes securely without causing rim damage. The U-shaped cradles support the full wheel rather than one small point, making sure the weight is distributed evenly to protect the rim and keep the bike steady. The special design removes the need to lift bikes during loading. By installing at the suggested height, it becomes easy to roll bikes onto the rack and remove them without much effort. This makes it a smart solution for people looking to avoid heavy lifting while keeping bikes safely stored. Thanks to the patented swivel feature, the racks can rotate from left to right, making bikes easy to access while saving valuable wall space. Whether the area is small or large, these racks help maximize storage without creating clutter. Made with durable high-quality steel and finished with a powder coating, this heavy-duty storage solution can handle bicycles with wheel sizes between 18 to 28 inches and tire widths up to 2.1 inches. It can hold a maximum weight of 78 pounds, supporting different types of bicycles including mountain, road, folding, adult, and kid bikes. Installing the TORACK BIKEPAL bike racks is a simple process. A little planning and measuring before mounting makes it quick to complete. By finding a stud and marking the correct height, 3 screws secure the rack firmly to the wall. All necessary mounting hardware is included, allowing for easy setup without needing extra tools. The thoughtful design and sturdy materials make it a helpful addition to any garage or indoor space needing bike storage. In our list, the number 5 product name is Yakima Rooftop Bike Rack Mount. Yakima Rooftop Bike Rack Mount offers a practical way to carry bicycles securely on car roofs. Designed to fit different types of vehicles, including sedans and sport utility vehicles, it is a smart choice for people who need a reliable transport option without using a hitch. Built with strong materials, this bike carrier ensures that mountain bikes and fat tire bikes stay steady during any journey. This black-colored rack has a load capacity of 40 pounds and measures 56.5 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and 10 inches high. The easy snap mounting type simplifies the setup process, making it quicker to attach the carrier without needing extra tools or equipment. The Yakima bike rack is built to provide safety and security by holding bicycles firmly in place. Its stable structure helps minimize movement while driving, giving riders peace of mind even on rough roads. The universal fit design also adds flexibility, allowing it to work with a variety of automotive styles. Thanks to its lightweight build, storing the rack when not in use is simple and does not take up much garage space. It is easy to move and adjust as needed, making it an ideal choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience. Manufactured by Yakima, a trusted name since 1979, this rooftop carrier reflects years of expertise in designing transportation solutions for recreational equipment. The thoughtful craftsmanship ensures every trip is safer, smarter, and more enjoyable for bike lovers. Whether heading to mountain trails or city streets, this rack provides an easy way to transport bicycles with confidence. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.